Okay, so usapang Bitcoin naman tayo and cryptocurrency. And so lilinyahan na natin, no? And ito nga with Bitcoin, nag-signal tayo diyan and we were able to catch that na upward. No? Taas lalo na yung breakout na yan. But for now, if you are going to trade Bitcoin and nandito na nga tayo sa pinakatuktok, we actually need to wait a little more. No? We are going to look for buy opportunities, pero we look for a retracement. Okay, so saan ba tayo maghihintay dyan? So, pinakamagandang ah, pinakamagandang option natin sa ngayon is itong 66,720. No? Itong sa buy limit natin, 67,000. Ayan. So, dito, okay, sa zone na to. So, again, nakikita natin buy limit is just a figure, but of course, it's not an exact science. Like what I'm always saying, it's always a zone, right? So as you can see here, Fibonacci 618, meron ditong previous resistance, and that's the point of breakout. And also, if you are going to draw the trend line support, meron dito, no? Dito yung point, and dito. So we are expecting uh, for for Bitcoin to at least go down here. Okay, so somewhere here, right? So if that did not happen, we are going to look for other opportunities. But again, we don't want to sell this market because as you can see here, napaka sharp ng ano niyan, ng upside movement niyan, and possible na ma-ESL ka na ng ma-ESL diyan. So puwede niyong timingan 'no, puwede natin timingan dito 'no. So, malapit na tayo dito and dito. But I would not say that it's going to go all the way down here. Probably it will just retrace around 38.2. If you don't have any position yet with Bitcoin, um, I would like to suggest na dito tayo sa area na 'to, sa 66,700 tayo magba right? So, but for now, we don't have any position yet kasi nag-aabang tayo, bit by limit tayo dyan. And we are looking at a buy opportunity only. Okay? So again, if you want to sell, it's already over bought. Okay? Nasa overbought condition na siya. If you want to sell, there is an opportunity. And there's this what we call bearish divergence, right? So it's probably okay, so tanggalin lang natin yung mga ano, no? So ito yung nilinya natin, no? So we are anticipating that's going to bounce and will respect this area, okay? This area. Yan yung in-expect natin. But then again, if we want to sell this market, okay? So we want to look for opportunity with Bitcoin if it touches this one. So, itong resistance level na to. Okay, it's probably going to have some head and shoulders formation. No? So, yan. Dito. Okay? So, probably, ganyan yan. Head and shoulders. So, paano ba i-trade ang head and shoulders na yan? If you are going to trade this, you look for a break here and then wait for the retest and then you sell there. That's where you sell. Okay? So, is it a bit late? Is it a bit late kung diyan tayo magse-sell, hindi dito sa taas? Well, again, we always wait for confirmation. Kasi dito sa market na 'to, it's very bullish. So, kahit na merong sell opportunity diyan, it's against the trend and we don't want that. Okay? So, case to case basis, of course, like what I said, merong opportunity for sell. But we really need to be careful kasi um, it's the buyer's market right now with Bitcoin. Okay, so actually, if you're going to look at the others, ganun din ang itsura, no? Overbought din sila, overbought condition. Same thing, we wait for our retracement, we look for ito pa, nandito pa yung sell idea natin ay trade signal natin, no? So actually, tina-target lang natin is 83 pero lumagpas na siya, umabot siya 100. So ganun siya kalakas, no? It's very volatile. Okay? So kahit na ah, bumabagsak siya, no? If it's continuously going up, so let's say, no, nag-ano ka dito, nag-sell ka dito. So, ang kita niyo, umakyat pa siya doon sa taas bago siya bumalik pababa, only to go back pataas. So, gano'n katindi yung, buyers. So, dito kung dito ka nag-sell, 'no, wala na. Probably stop loss ka na diyan, okey? Unless wala kang stop loss, makaka-catch mo yan pababa. Pero until where, okey? So, again, we want to wait for a retest and then go back up. Kahit ito lang ang targetin natin sa taas. And here, okay, so if you want to sell this one, okay? So makikita nyo merong support level dito, and if this breaks, no, wait for a retest and then you sell. Okay? Sell there. But again, I want to reiterate na this is a buyer's market right now. So, baka mas stop loss lang kayo. Okay? So, there's a lot of uh, there's a lot of sellers there and over bought level, divergence na rin. So, it may have, it may give us that pullback for us to go long, right? And that's it for our crypto and Bitcoin outlook and trade ideas. Thank you so much for watching. And again, I want to invite you sa ating Telegram community where we provide trade ideas, trade signals, and we offer coaching sessions. So I can just give you a message there. See you.